isn't it a nice day to pull the express? Hey, Gordon! Ah! What the hell do you want, you little crap? Well, Gordon, do you remember what happened, what you did to Ffarquhar Engines? No. Well, let me give you a perfect flashback. Isn't it a beautiful day to chill with my two best friends? Express coming through! Oh, come on, it wasn't that bad. Dude, Toby had kidney failure. Oh, kidney jokes. Yeah, kidney jokes. It's getting old, Thomas. Shut up. You'll be sorry, Gordon. He has problems. Hey, Gordon, want a race? What's wrong with your tender? It's not done yet, you prick. Anyways, let's race! Ah! Goodbye, Gordon! Well, I guess I have to use my sausage powers. Oh. Get off my lawn. Oh, Jesus Christ. When the hell is this bridge gonna go down? Oh, hi, Gordon. Wait, oh no, oh crap. Team Rocket flying off again. Because I'm all right. Oh, crap. Boo-hoo, Gordon. Percy, get over here. Yes, Thomas? Did you bring the screwdriver? Of course, Thomas! Oh my God! Thomas! Percy! Have mercy! There's more where that came from. Well, at least it can't get any worse, though. Oh my God. Attack! Ah! A few minutes later. And then Percy shoved the screwdriver up my tender! Well, just like they say, the little engines can do big things. Like, shut up, it's getting old. Gordon, you need to learn how to be fast and stolen joke. Oh, God damn it, we forgot. Guys, let's go! Wait, where are you all going? We're going to see the Avengers Endgame. Goodbye, Gordon. We won't miss you. Wait, can I come? We only have 4 tickets. See ya, fatty. Well, I'll guess I'll go to sleep then. I got nothing better to do. But you forgot your special blankie. Oh, thanks. Wait. I'm full of it. Oh my, I gotta go to Ghostbusters because it's a ghost. Okay, team! There's the ghost! Oh no! Oh! Oh! The ghost escaped! Get it! Ugh, it sucks to be in a ghost vacuum cleaner. Tell me about it. Yeah, tell us about it. We did it, team! We destroyed it! Oh, Christ, it didn't. Come on, Gordon. Frankie! What? Swing me across the ocean! What? Just do it! Okay. Try to catch me now, suckers. Wait, Thomas, what are you doing? Dark mode activated. Oh, it's such a beautiful day to be alive.